What if you could build a real medieval game UI for Unreal Engine 5 from scratch using Claude in just a few minutes? From a simple Claude prompt to a real medieval game UI running inside Unreal Engine 5. First, write a prompt in the style you want while following the rules provided in the documentation. Then, paste your prompt into Claude and wait for it to generate the HTML and CSS interface. Once the interface is generated, preview it and make sure the result matches the design you want. Now that the interface is ready, open the plugin you purchased from Fab and load the generated HTML file. Convert the layout, check the preview, and make sure the output looks correct. Then export the JSON package, which includes the widget data, textures, images, and required elements. Finally, open Widget Creator in Unreal Engine. Select the downloaded package. Choose your fonts if needed. And complete the import. Your generated interface is now ready to use inside Unreal Engine. Make a few final adjustments and everything is ready to go. Menu open and close buttons, widget animations, textures, and layout elements are all created automatically. Magic Widget Creator is available now on Fab. Get it today and create your Unreal Engine interface in just a few minutes.